Hey there, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV showing off a pretty sweet ride at Wheaton Honda.
It's a black on black 2015 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 Convertible. If you're looking for a ride that's packing power and performance, this might be right up your alley. Not only does it have a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine that's good for 580 horsepower and 556 pound-feet of torque, but it also looks awesome with its athletic design, 20-inch wheels with Brembo brakes, a ZL1 specific spoiler, and a quad exhaust. You don't even need to know how to drive stick to enjoy this thing. It's equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel paddle shifters. It has a magnetic ride control suspension with different drive modes, along with performance traction management. The power folding convertible top means you get all the best of the ZL1, plus the open air anytime you want. Inside is a leather interior with heated front sports seats and a flat bottom sports steering wheel. Plus a bunch of tech, like a heads-up display, a backup camera with sensors, navigation, smartphone integration, Bluetooth, OnStar, satellite radio, and an 8-speaker Boston Acoustics premium sound system. It also comes with heated power mirrors and a factory-installed remote starter.
Now, if you have any questions, just hit me up with email, Facebook, or Twitter. Head down to Wheaton Honda and check it out.